Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. This is Imtiaz Patel, Varidiawala here on our community show, and we are going to talk about one of the most amazing celebration Bolton has ever witnessed, which is the Eid celebration organized by Tankarvis and led by Shafi Patel of Tankaria, whom we call it Mota Patel. Event was so great, such a nice in terms of numbers, quality, the atmosphere, the environment, and ફારૂક ભાઈ તમને કેવું લાગ્યું આપણે જે ફ્રાઈડે જે કવરેજ કર્યું ઈદ ઇવેન્ટનું ટંકારિયાનું?
અસલામ વાલેકુમ. સૌ પ્રથમ તો શફીકભાઈને ખૂબ ખૂબ મુબારકબાદ અને જે લોકો શફીકભાઈ સાથે ઇન્વોલ્વ હતા જે પ્રોગ્રામમાં સક્સેસ કરવા માટે. તો પ્રોગ્રામ ઘણો સારો રહ્યો. આઈ થિંક આઈ કેન સી ઓવર 1000 પીપલ એટેન્ડ અને દૂર દૂરથી લોકો આવેલા હતા. લેસ્ટર, લંડન, પ્રિસ્ટન એન્ડ બર્મિંગહામ બધેથી લોકો આવેલા અને ઘણા લોકોએ કીધું કે વન્ડરફુલ પ્રોગ્રામ અને આવો પ્રોગ્રામ દર વર્ષે થવો જોઈએ જે શફીકભાઈ જાતે કરે છે વન મેન આર્મી એના ફ્રેન્ડોના સપોર્ટથી. જઝાકલ્લાહ.
MashaAllah. And Tanzila, you were there as well covering the event, MashaAllah, particularly focusing on women, but equally you were very active covering the events throughout, including males as well. So tamne kyu laga, how do you feel doing a coverage of such a big event, and there were lots of people, lots of women, lots of children, lots of elderly, and almost 3 generations came together.
I know. So, Assalamu alaikum, this is Tanzila from Bebas. So as I couldn't agree more with you. So there were people, there were children and women especially. They all gathered in one community, one hall, and they were enjoyed to the fullest. Let me tell you, over there I made sure to capture each and every moment as much as I can. And where I noticed that they were so warm, especially Zakia Ben and Shafiq Patel, they were so warm. Father and daughter, hosted the event. They made sure the whole community gathers and they all have fun. People from Africa as well. I heard people
South
from
Africa, yes.
from Leicester, Africa, from London, everyone, Scotland as well, as much as I captured. So even children, they were enjoying to the fullest, let me tell you. Also, the food was quite good, I heard, and
Indeed.
I had it, and I was quite full over there.
And the food he make, Shafeeq will make himself. Shafeeq bhai જાતે ખાવા બને.
Right, so it
I
was
think
so good.
11-12 કુરબાની હતી અને 11-12 કુરબાની અને Shafeeq made himself with some friend help.
એમાં એક ટ્રેડિશનલ કઢાઈ ગોસ હતો અને એક એને કહે છે વ્હાઈટ ગોસ,
White goose.
સફેદ ગોસ હતો. તે બહુ સ્પેશિયલ હોય છે અને એની સાથે કઈ નાન,
નાન, rice બી
અને
હતા.
મેં સાંભળ્યું કે સોજી પણ બિલકુલ મતલબ કે પેલી બોમ્બેના અફલાતુન હલવા જેવી હતી, હે ને? Yummy.
Very good, very
Yes,
good.
yeah.
People couldn't stop eating over there, and it was so fun. It was Eid gathering. I'll tell you something, there were women working so hard for the community. They were contributing themselves over there. Women serving each other with so much warmth, and they welcomed each other so very well. And
So I think,
Ji.
more than 200-300 female was there as well.
More than that, yeah.
More
I
than
could see
that.
more than that.
Because
Yes.
normally people asking on social media, okay, where is the female, where is the woman?
Yeah.
પણ આ વખતે normally પ્રોગ્રામમાં હોય જ છે પણ આ વખતે over 300 women હતી અને we take more than 50 or 60 interviews as well.
Of course,
Like
yes.
feedback.
Ji.
Yeah. And before I forget, there was quite important ritual took place as well. Shafiba and Tankarvis people also distributed some certificates of recognition and appreciation, which is quite good gesture, I think. I was quite emotional and touched with that gesture.
So what happened over here, I saw this gesture, I saw that, and I thought it was quite good to motivate people over there. There were 3 generations present. Children, of course, they were enjoying to the fullest, I'll tell you, and women over there motivating each other. Also then Shafiq Patel, he contributed this and he distributed the awards and everything to motivate people more, to let people indulge in the community more and making sure that they contribute themselves.
Yeah, but I noticed that there were few women at the beginning. They were slightly reluctant in terms of photography, videography, giving you the feedback. But then I think through your great communication skills,
Yes,
through your
definitely.
connectivity, I noticed that you managed to convince them. How did you manage to convince women to give such a brilliant feedback on the day?
Thank you so much for complimenting. So I'll tell you over there what happened. I convinced them. I told them that Bebas is basically, we're growing our community. We're making sure we capture people's efforts over there. Okay, so I made sure capturing people's efforts, asking people about the feedback. How do they feel? People put their efforts, their time, gathering people at one place is not an easy thing to do, right? So yeah, so I convinced them in a way. So then they were so happy. They were so happy to contribute for the community, and then they wanted to speak, give the feedback, and rest is history.
And guess what? The highlight was that there were some respected councillors from respective parties, and we had presence of Member of Parliament,
Yes,
Mr. Mohammed Iqbal. And as a young MP, I think he spoke quite well about the event, about conveying his very positive message. And ફારૂક તમને કેવું લાગ્યું કે આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ એમની સાથે વાત કરી હતી?
બિલકુલ બિલકુલ ના ઇકબાલભાઈ બી ઘણા ખુશ થયા કે ભાઈ તમે લોકો ઈદનો આજે પ્રોગ્રામ કર્યો ઓલ ઓવર ધ યુકેથી બધાને ભેગા કર્યા. યુ આર ડુઈંગ ધ ગ્રેટ વર્ક. ને ઇકબાલભાઈનું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ બી આવશે વિડીયોમાં ઇન્શાલ્લાહ. અને જે લોકોને ઇન્વિટેશનની ખબર નહીં પડી હોય તો ભાઈ આ ઓપન ઇન્વિટેશન હતું for all over the UK, Tankaria people and some friends. તો કદાચ અમુક લોકોની કમ્પ્લેન હતી કે અમારું દાવત ક્યાં છે, તો આ એનાઉન્સ ટંકારિયાના બધા જ વોટ્સઅપ ગ્રુપ પર ચાલ્યું હતું. બ્લેકબર્નથી અને પ્રેસ્ટનથી એક બે જગ્યાથી મને એવી ખબર પડી કે ભાઈ અમારું ઇન્વિટેશન નથી. મેં કીધું કે શફીક પટેલનું ઓપન ઇન્વિટેશન હતું. સો નેક્સ્ટ યર inshallah we will remember. Jazakallah.
And guess what? The most exciting part is that when we spoke to our MP, Mr. Iqbal Muhammad, he was so impressed with Biebers and the work which we do in terms of social media, sharing the positive information, good models, highlighting our achievements. And he has invited Biebers to the House of Commons London, and we look forward to that inshallah in a very very near future. Yeah. So saro prasang to, good event to, and the moral of the event is, from my point of view as a journalist, as a writer, as a community activist, કે આ રીતના પ્રસંગો થવા જોઈએ જેનાથી મતલબ કે આપણે એકબીજાની નજીક આવીએ, એકબીજા સાથે આપણે જોડાઈએ, અને કમ્યુનિટી અને સમાજમાં જે થોડી ગેપ વધી રહેલી છે, આપણું સોશિયલ ફેબ્રિક, ફેમિલી ફેબ્રિક, કમ્યુનિટી સ્પિરિટ, એને જોશ મળે, એને તાકાત મળે, અને એની જે પોસિબિલિટીઝ, જે પોટેન્શિયલ છે એ આપણે એક્સપ્લોર કરી શકીએ. On behalf of all the Tankawis, all those who were present there, and especially on behalf of Mota Patel, Safiq Patel, we like to thank all those sponsors. Mainly 3D Hall is a wonderful hall, wonderful facility, good parking. So of course Usman Bhai, Ozzy Bhai and his family, Rustam Mama. A big thanks to Hotprint for supporting the event in terms of preparing the banners, leaflets, publicity. Of course Biebers was there, and Munab Bhai Dipoti, though he's not from Tankaria, but there were a lot of people from other than Tankarvis as well. He has contributed significantly, and all the Tankarvi committees in respective towns, that includes Blackburn, Preston, Bolton, Leicester, London, and who else were there?
I need to add one more thing, like Usman Bhai 3D a very good price, discounted price માં hall આપેલો. It's not like a free but discounted price just for cover the cost. And another thing કે બધા volunteer જે હતા Blackburn, Preston, London, Leicester, બધા જ. So everyone did best job. સિદ્દીક બોમ્બે વાળા જે બી હેલ્પ કરતા હતા.
Yes, બિલકુલ.
પછી અમારા હરીશ ભટ્ટ છે, પછી આપણા અફઝલ છે,
બિલકુલ
બધા ખાસા વોલન્ટિયરો જે લોકોએ કામ કર્યું, દરેકનું નામ તો નહીં લેવાય,
બિલકુલ,
પણ એવરીવન ડુ ગ્રેટ જોબ. એન્ડ સફીભાઈના કહેવાથી લોકોએ પ્રોપર જોબ એમનો કર્યો, રોલ અદા કર્યો.
બિલકુલ બિલકુલ. અને એઝ વી ઓલવેઝ સે, ઇટ્સ અ ટીમ વર્ક મેક્સ અ ડ્રીમ વર્ક. તમે એકલા કામ કરો એને બદલે તમે ટીમમાં કામ કરો, સાથ સહકારથી કામ કરો, અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગથી કામ કરો, એકબીજાને સપોર્ટ કરો, એનાથી એનું રિઝલ્ટ્સ ઘણું સરસ આવે છે. સો વી આર સો હેપી, એન્ડ વી વુડ ઓલ્સો લાઇક ટુ થેન્ક ઓલ ધ Tankavis, and especially to Safiq Patel, our Mota Patel, for inviting Biebers team and giving us access to record that program, and it has become a part of history, and it has become a part of great documentation of this great event. So then generations to come, they will watch and they say, wow, did they used to do this? Is that how they used to celebrate Eid? And that's the most important and the strength of Biebers and working together. So thank you guys for that wonderful feedback, and remaining feedback you will be listening from the people who actually attended that. And as Farooq Bhai said, we managed to get more than 50 feedback, wonderful feedback from first generation, second generations, and there were lots of young people and some useful comments. We like you to listen to those comments and take those messages back to your community, back to your family, back to your society, and we can do these kind of events again and again, again and again. Imtiaz Patel Variawala here. Feedback, Eid celebration, Tankarvis led by Shafi Bhai Patel, Mota Patel. Thank you.
Jazakallah.
Thank you so much.